Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Take a look at this new palette from Ladybug Glow and Blair. This is a collaboration palette, Castle of Horrors. Guys, this is a really cute 9-pan palette. You do get a mirror over here. In this palette, you're going to be getting 5 blendable mattes, 1 duochrome, and 3 multi-chrome shadows. This palette is going to drop on September 30th with my discount code Steff or with Blair's discount code Blair or any other discount code. This palette comes out to $32. I think it is a very good price point, especially because we are getting some of those specialty shadows. I'm going to be creating 2 looks with this new Ladybug Glow and Blair collaboration palette. I cannot wait. Ladybug Glow is quickly becoming one of my favorite indie brands, and I hope that you guys have tried them out. If not, maybe this is going to be your first time to give them a chance. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup, which we're getting a lot of indie eyeshadow palettes for fall. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos. If all of that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of indie makeup, Halloween makeup in particular, please give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, guys, I will have all of the makeup that I'm currently wearing linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's dive into the new Castle of Horror palette from Ladybug Glow and Blair. If you guys want to see how the 2 looks I'm going to create are going to turn out, keep on watching. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, so I am ready to dive into this deep, dark, dramatic palette. So I think what I'm going to do first is I want to try working with the blue. So I'm going to go in with this blue shadow, and then I might come down here to the black to kind of deepen it up. Do I want to pack this? I think I'm going to pack this all over the lid. So we'll take Vortex first, then we'll go in with Midnight. So I'm taking Vortex on a BK Beauty 203. Guys, don't forget that BK Beauty collabed again with Angie from Hot and Flashy, and they did their round 2 collection, which is a travel collection. So some of the favorites from the first Angie collab are in this travel set. The A506 concealer brush, the one you guys are always see me using, it's in that collection. So, and right now they have 20% off with the code Angie2Y. It's on their website. It's on their website, and I do have a link for BK Beauty in my description box in case you want to check that out. Sometimes it's just nice to have like smaller brushes, and I think that collection would be perfect. Congratulations to BK and to Angie. I love watching Angie. She gives so much good information, especially when it comes to skincare. Okay, that is a super pigmented blue shadow. I'm going to take my Refer 13 and just use it to lightly blend the crease. Remember, you don't want to overblend your blue shadow. Flick it out a little bit. Okay, now with that same Refer 13, I'm picking up the shade Midnight, which is the matte black. Bring it into the crease. Focus it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Fear Factor. And I'm using a damp Morphe M709. That is beautiful. Oh yeah, that is stunning. Wow. This is very, very good. I think for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the purple down here. This one is called Witch Bee. Witch Bee has the little asterisk there for it. Taking the shade on a BK Beauty 210. Now I'm gonna try taking Mischief right here. This has like a blue to purple reflect to it. Same brush, and I am gonna spray it. Ooh, that is so pretty. All right, guys, I am gonna go off camera to take care of finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I love the way this look turned out. I'm using Rare Beauty mascara and Rare Beauty eyeliner on the top lash line. I did go in with some falsies just because I've had this face and makeup on all day, and they are the Eylure and Jasmine brown lashes. I love those. I love Eylure. Eylure is like my favorite affordable falsie at the drugstore. For the lower waterline, I went in with a Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This one is in the shade Psychedelic Sister. I think so far we are off to a phenomenal start. Loving it so far. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. All right, for look number 2, I don't know if this will coordinate well, but we'll try it. We'll see what we can do. I'm going to go in first with Potion, and then I'm going to go in to this shade right here, upside down question mark. I don't know what that means, a question mark. So I'll start with Potion, and then I'll work with this other shade. I'm going to go in with a BK Beauty 205, and I'm going to focus Potion here on the inner half. Now on a Refer 14, I'm going in with that question mark shade. And I'm going to focus this out here. I might dive back into the matte black just because these two shades are like light and mid-tone shades. That way I can deepen them up just a little bit. I probably could even do, no, the black. I was going to say I could probably even do the purple, but no, I'm going to stick with the black. Going back in with Potion. Now on a Refer 13, I'm taking the matte black, which is called Midnight. Focus it just out here, a little bit into the crease. Going back in with that question mark shade, just to blend right in here. Okay, I think that looks good. Now I'm gonna likely use these two shadows right here because these are the only two I have not used in the palette on the lid. This is a very smooth shade. It has like a red purple shift to it. And then this one has some more texture to it. So I'm gonna start first with this one on the outer half and then work with this one towards the inner half. Using a damp Morphe M124. Felt a little bit of fallout. Oh, that is stunning. Look at that. Purple to red. You don't see that every day. Same brush, I just flipped it over. Going in with that next shade. This one is called 04. I'm getting some fallout, but this is the textured shade. Look at that. That is stunning. This is good, guys. This is real good. Going back in with the first shade, the more smooth shade. This one is called Castle of Horror, named after the palette. Now on a Refer 26, I'm going back in with that question mark shade, and that's what I'm going to use for the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back in with Fear Factor, and I'm going to use this for the inner corner. Using a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Perfect little inner corner highlight. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this look off camera. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, here is the completed look number 2. I love this. Look at that red. The red reflect, that is just so good. It's so good. Like you don't see that very often. For the lower waterline, I used a ColourPop cream gel liner, this red one right here in the shade Cherry Pie, and then same everything else. I did get the most fallout from this look, so I would definitely recommend a glitter primer. All right, guys, I used every single shade in this really cute 9 pan palette. Now it's time for me to wrap up today's video, share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so 9 shadows later, 2 very cool looks later. I think the Ladybug Glow collaboration with Blair Castle of Horror palette is a must-have for the Halloween season. It is getting 2 big thumbs up from me. If you are looking for a smaller palette that's going to be deep, dark, dramatic, and perfect for the Halloween season, and after that, this is going to be the palette for you. Remember, this palette comes in at $32 with anybody's affiliate code. Mine is Steff, Blair's is Blair. I'll have them down here. I'll have them both in the description box. That saves you 10% off, which brings the palette to 32 bucks, which I think is a very affordable price point, given the fact that you're getting 3 multi-chromes and 1 duochrome, and then the rest are going to be matte shadows. This was such an easy palette to work with. It is so easy to create looks with this one because you have some deep shades in here. You have this one a lighter shade. These 2 are kind of like mid-tone shades, and then you have these other deeper tones, which I love the matte black because that can help you deepen up the looks. But if you wanted to keep it a little bit lighter, like for example, this look right here, if I didn't go in with the matte black, it would have been a totally different look. So there is versatility within this palette. I think that the shade Castle of Horror, which is named after the palette, is so super special. It's a purple to red duochrome. It's the smoothest one in the palette as far as shimmers go. It's just beautiful, guys. I think they really captured the spirit of the season with this one. I love it. I love it. It's totally worth checking out. Do keep in mind that Ladybug Glow is a very small indie makeup brand. They are up and coming, so their quantities that they have on hand are going to be limited. So if this is something that you're really going to want, it will be available September 30th. Not too sure on the time. If I can find out, I'll have it in the description box. But I want to say they usually launch their palettes in the evening, and I am in Central Time. I've seen them launch them around between like 7 and 9 in the evening, but if I can find out, I will have it in the description box. Let me know your thoughts now, guys. Which look was your favorite? Team 1, Team 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if this new palette from Ladybug Glow and Blair is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.